delay. Be arrested. Angels of speed now. Daniel prayed for 21 days, the prayer was delayed. There was a principality power that blocked the answer. Some of your prayers have been answered 3, 4, 5 years ago. Maar daar is territoriële geeste wat die antwoord wat graag gerelease is, blok in die hemelring. Angels are battling every territorial power, holding your answered prayer of many years in the heavenly realm, where answers that has been released are delayed. Let Michael and Gabriel answer. Let there be war. Let there be war. Let there be war. Territorial powers. Angels are stripping them now. Dat je huis wat 2 jaar geleden gegeven was. Engelen vat hy huis af. Engelen vat hy man af. Engelen vat hy babas af. Engelen vat hy drank agterrug. Engelen vat hy besigheid terug.